Are you on a skilled worker visa and hoping to settle in the UK? Well, your journey to Indefinite Leave to Remain, or ILR, just became more difficult. From the 22nd of July 2025, the UK government is introducing higher salary thresholds for ILR eligibility. And that's not all. There are also early plans to increase the ILR waiting period from 5 to 10 years for work visa holders. These changes could delay your settlement by years and cost you thousands of pounds in additional visa renewals and NHS fees. In this video, I'll break down exactly what's changing, who's affected, and what you can do now to protect your path to permanent residency. Make sure you stay to the end. This update could affect not only you but your entire family. What is ILR and why salary matters? Indefinite Leave to Remain, or ILR, is the UK's version of permanent residency. It gives you the right to live, work, and study in the UK without being tied to a visa. You're free from visa renewals, free from the immigration health surcharge, and one step away from British citizenship. Currently, skilled worker visa holders can apply for ILR after 5 years of continuous residence, assuming they meet other requirements like good character and financial thresholds. But here's the worrying part. The UK government has publicly hinted that it may increase the ILR qualifying period from 5 to 10 years for work-based migrants. This is part of the broader plan to reduce net migration and tighten long-term settlement options. So, while this hasn't been confirmed yet, it's very likely we could see this change rolled out in the near future. This would mean that many migrants, including those already here, might have to wait 10 years before applying for ILR and go through 2 or even 3 visa renewals before qualifying. Add to that the upcoming salary threshold increases, and the road to ILR becomes much more difficult. New ILR salary thresholds. Let's talk about the confirmed salary changes that take effect on the 22nd of July 2025. Under the current rules, skilled workers applying for ILR must earn at least £38,700 a year, or meet a lower threshold if they're in a shortage occupation or hold a PhD. But from the 22nd of July, those thresholds are going up significantly. Here's a quick breakdown. Skilled worker, general route. Old salary, £38,700 to new salary, £41,700. PhD qualified roles, old, £34,830 to new £37,500. New entrant or shortage roles, old, £30,960 to new £33,400. Global business mobility routes, old, £45,800 to new £52,500. Hourly minimum wage for ILR, £15. 88-hour to new, £17, 13-hour. That's a significant increase, and it will affect both current skilled workers and future applicants. Even if you've lived and worked in the UK for 5 years, you will not qualify for ILR unless your job meets the new salary level when you apply, unless transitional rules apply. We'll talk about those next. Transitional rules. Now here's where it gets slightly more complicated, but also more hopeful for some. The transitional rules say that if your certificate of sponsorship, or COS, is assigned before the 22nd of July 2025, you may still be eligible under the old salary thresholds when applying for ILR. So, if you're planning to apply for ILR or extend your skilled worker visa before that date, and you've already been issued a COS, you could be protected from the new salary rules. But anyone issued a new COS on or after the 22nd of July 2025 will be assessed under the new, higher salary thresholds. That's why timing is now everything. Speak to your employer, plan ahead, and act early. What this means for dependents. Now let's talk about your family. If you're here with a partner or children on a skilled worker dependent visa, they're also affected, even if not directly. First, the good news is dependents do not need to meet any salary thresholds to apply for ILR, but here's the catch. They can only apply for ILR when the main visa holder qualifies. So if you, the main skilled worker, don't meet the new salary requirement or have to delay your ILR, your dependents are delayed too. That means more visa extension fees, more immigration health surcharge, currently £1,035 per person per year, more stress and uncertainty for the whole family. And if you have children born in the UK, they won't automatically become British unless at least one parent is granted ILR. So these salary changes don't just affect you, they affect your entire family's future. What you can do now. So what can you do? Here are 5 smart steps to take right now. 1. Check your current salary and job code. Make sure your job still qualifies under the new standard occupational classification codes and updated salary tables. 2. Talk to your employer immediately. Negotiate a pay rise if you're below the upcoming threshold. They may be unaware of how this change affects your long-term status. 3. Secure a certificate of sponsorship before the 22nd of July 2025. If you're eligible for ILR soon, try to apply before the new rules kick in. If you need to extend your visa, do it early to benefit from the transitional rules. 4. Plan financially. Start budgeting now in case you have to delay ILR and go through another renewal cycle. Visa fees and the NHS surcharge add up quickly, especially for families. 5. Watch for updates. The proposed change from 5 years to 10 years ILR is not law yet, but it could be very soon. Be ready to act quickly. Let's recap. From the 22nd of July 2025, ILR salary thresholds are rising, up to £41,700 or more, depending on your role. This will affect thousands of skilled workers and their families, especially those with ILR applications due after that date. And with the government planning to extend the ILR wait time to 10 years, now is the time to prepare, negotiate, and apply early if you can. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest UK immigration news and guidance. Let us know in the comments. Will your job meet the new salary threshold? Or are you worried about the 10-year ILR proposal? We're here to help you stay informed and stay prepared. Thanks for watching Visa Pathway UK.